Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy LSR254, man. We back, which, as you can see, it's another review. Sponsored, but still 100 fully my views, my opinions, everything like that. So, if you can't see or tell by the box of what we got here, I covered it up. Boom. LED light bar. This LED light bar was sent to us to review. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we got. Before we go any further, you might be thinking, what you gonna use a light bar on? I don't know yet. This could possibly go on the C10, being that it's not like a show truck or nothing like that, you know. I mean, it's 12 inches. I've never really looked into light bars, but I definitely want to check this one out. So once you open the box, you'll see that you have an instruction manual, the operating manual. It gives you everything that you need as far as showing you how to wire in a relay, and it basically just comes with a little actually step 1 through 5 to get those installed. So we're gonna set that operating manual right there, like so. Try to make sure we still in frame. Alright, so here we have our bracket mounting hardware. It actually even comes with an Allen key, which is good. That way, for guys like me who constantly misplace their tools, you don't have to necessarily look around for the correct hex key to tighten up your light bar. Alright, so as we pull the light bar out of the packaging here, I'll just set that over there to the side. What we have here is our 12-inch light bar. The first thing that I kind of notice about it, it does have a nice, good little weight to it. If you look and see, it is a LED light bar, if you're able to see that. This is something that's going to be hardwired into your vehicle. As you can see there, that is the negative and a positive for the light. Being that it does use a relay, I wanted to see if it said which size relay needed to be used. This housing is actually waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any light or correction. You don't have to worry about any water getting into it. It is sealed completely. What you hear sliding around, those are like 4 nuts, and those are used to tighten down and mount the light when you get ready to mount it. So I don't know, let me know down in the comments where you think this light bar should go. I definitely don't think it should be the C10. I mean, I definitely don't think it should be the Caprice or the Cutlass. So I think the C10 would be a good alternative. What do you think? Maybe the Ram or the C10? I don't know. I think it'll be pretty cool to see though. 12 inches. Once I get this installed, then I will be able to come back and give y'all another video on exactly the performance of the light, the quality of the light, and everything like that. But I definitely wanted to get this up and let y'all know that we have something coming very soon. So But just first impressions, like I said, it seems to be well made, because it is waterproof. I mean, there's no real, I believe it looks like there is not actual vents, but it's not actual vents, but actual, it feels, these are like a heat sink, and those you are able to those are going to be used to, you know, dissipate the heat or whatnot. So like I said, it really looks like a good construction, or well constructed piece. And like I said, it comes with all of the hardware that you're going to need to install it. So yeah, should you buy it? That's what we're going to find out in the next video, because you have to have a full rounded off review of if it's something that you should buy or not. But I do, like I do like the way that this, I do like the construction of it. It's very kind of solidly made. Being that it's black, yeah, it would probably, this would probably go on the C10. I think I like it for this. I think I like it for the C10 a lot. Yeah, I think this has a C10 written all over it. So I'll put a link to the product down in the description box below, just in case you want to check it out. Check out some of the specs of it. It's a 12-inch LED light bar for, you know, Jeep off-road or boat. Being that I don't have a Jeep off-road vehicle or a boat, and the closest thing that I have is a C10, I think it'd be awesome for the C10. So, because you gotta have more light, right? So, it's your boy LSL254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strengths. Stay tuned for the review where we actually get this installed and show what it can do.